Hello, mate. My name is Ramadhani Wasafiani. Today, I want to introduce you to a business strategy that completely changes the way companies compete in the market. It's called the Blue Ocean Strategy. So, have you ever wondered why some companies don't seem to worry about competitors and still become incredibly successful? It's because they create their own space, a place where competition doesn't exist. In this presentation, we will explore what Blue Ocean Strategy is, how it works, how it differs from traditional strategies, and how companies, maybe even you, can use it to build innovative and successful businesses. So, what is Blue Ocean Strategy? So, Blue Ocean Strategy is a term used to describe a business approach that focuses on creating new, uncontested market space. Instead of trying to fight against competitors in a crowded market, what we call a red ocean, businesses using Blue Ocean Strategy create blue oceans of opportunity where there is no competition. In simple words, companies that follow this strategy don't fight to win in existing markets. Instead, they create their own market, offering unique value to customers in ways others haven't even thought of. It's about thinking differently, breaking the rules, and innovating to create new demand. So next is red ocean versus blue ocean. Let's compare it. So in red ocean, businesses compete in existing markets. They try to beat competitors by offering lower prices, better features, or faster service. The market is crowded and the competition is fierce. Profit margins are usually small and the focus is on survival. In contrast, Blue Ocean Strategy is about creating a new market where there are no competitors. Instead of fighting over a small piece of the pie, companies make a whole new pie. They attract new customers, offer new solutions, and create their own industry. Next, so this strategy was introduced by Chan Kim and Renee Bogor in their famous book published in 2005 called The Blue Ocean Strategy. They studied over 150 business models across more than 30 industries and found that the most successful companies did not compete in crowded markets. Instead, they created entirely new space. So one of their key messages is the best way to beat the competition is to stop trying to beat the competition. That may sound strange at the first, but it will make sense when you think about how successful businesses like Apple, Starbucks, or Netflix become new leaders not by competing directly, but by innovating differently. Next, I will give you a real-world example. It's Cirque du Soleil. So this is a great example. So before that, the circus industry was dying. People were bored of traditional circus acts and many were against the use of animals. Cirque du Soleil did something amazing. They eliminated animal acts. They reduced the number of solo players, focusing on quality. They raised the level of storytelling, music, and artistic performance. And they created a new form of entertainment that combined theater, dance, music, and circus. As a result, they did not just attract families with kids, they attract adults who want an artistic and emotional experience and were willing to pay more for it. This is a perfect example of Blue Ocean Strategy in action. Next, another example is Nintendo Wii. So let's look at another example. In the early 2000s, gaming companies like Sony and Microsoft were focused on powerful and hardcore gamers. The competition was fierce. Nintendo decided not to compete with them. Instead, they used Blue Ocean strategy. They eliminated the focus on ultra-powerful hardware. They reduced the complexity of gaming, and then they raised accessibility and fun for all age. And they created a motion control system that made gaming physical and social. This will attract a new whole market: families, children, older people, and people who have never played game before. Again, they did not win by fighting the same battle. They created a new whole game. Next, why is Blue Ocean strategy important for students and entrepreneurs? So, this is why. Student, future business owner or entrepreneur. Because Blue Ocean strategy teaches us that we don't always need to follow the crowd. We can create our own path. Instead of entering a crowded industry where everyone is doing the same thing, we can think creatively, identify unmet needs, and create something new. So for example, if you are starting a business, ask yourself, how can I solve a problem in a way no one else is doing? So this approach can help us avoid unnecessary competition, encourage our chances to success, and make a bigger impact. It's not just about technology or money, it's about value innovation. Next is so the next slide of it is challenges of Blue Ocean strategy. So creating a new market space can be risky. It requires deep understanding of customer needs, creativity, and sometimes a lot of courage. You also need to educate the market. Since your product or service is different, people might not understand it right away. There may be uncertainty about demand or pricing. Also, once your idea becomes successful, competitors might try to copy it. So, you need to keep innovating and stay ahead. But, despite these challenges, the rewards can be much greater. You get to lead the market, build customer loyalty, and create something truly original. So the next slide is, how can you apply this as a student? So even as a student, we can use this strategy. Maybe in your group projects, don't just repeat what others have done. Try to come up with something new. Maybe a new idea, new way of presenting, or solving a problem from a new angle. If you are planning to start a business, look around you. What are people struggling with, and what are they annoyed about? What do they wish existed? That's where Blue Ocean opportunities come from. And even in life, this mindset helps. You don't have to follow the same path as everyone else. You can create your own Blue Ocean, your own unique journey. So, the final is, the key message I want you to remember is, Blue Ocean strategy is not about being better. It's about being differently in a valuable way. When companies try to be the best in a crowded market, they often fail or struggle to survive. But when they create a new market based on customer needs, innovation, and value, they open up a new world of possibilities. This strategy is powerful for businesses, but also for life. Don't always. Sometimes the best strategy is to stop competing and start growing. So I will end this presentation with a quote from the authors of Blue Ocean Strategy. The best way to beat the competition is to stop trying to beat the competition. So I think this is a powerful reminder for all of us to focus on less what others are doing and more on what new value we can bring to the world. So thank you so much for your your business ideas, or your future